Hi guys, welcome Useful Things channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to solve an Instagram white screen problem or dark screen problem. So let's look first of all let's look our Instagram. Look that white screen, no anything, only white screen. So how we can solve this problem? Let's start our video, guys. We don't want Instagram Lite, guys. Instagram Lite install. First we Instagram Lite video landing. Yes, Instagram Lite is downloading, guys. Open. Let's open Instagram Lite. Yes, and now we see my Instagram account. I couldn't log in this account. So you see this your last your login Instagram account. So now we see that already we already have an account login. We press here, guys, login. Now we see this page and you see that forgot your login details, get help login in. We press here, get help login in. We press here and then find your account, guys. Enter your Instagram username or the mobile number or email, link it to your account. I writing here my Instagram name, Instagram account. Yes, I prefer to you use your Instagram name here. Yes. Writing here, sorry. Yes, guys, I'm writing here my Instagram name and then I say next. Sorry. Yes, I'm writing my Instagram username and I say next. Then you see this page, send email, login in with Facebook. In your account can be sent SMS. Which one is easy for you? You can choose. If you have sent SMS, you can send SMS. I have to choose send an email, guys. Send an email. Yes, to my email is sent account number, guys. Okay, I say okay, and then I am going to my email, and then I say next. I say next. I press next. Yes, I am on my Instagram, guys. It's working. On Instagram Lite, we open it or Instagram. That problem is solved like this. So you can use like this Instagram Lite, easy. I hope this video useful for you. Don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.